very small problem based on that what is the reading of the weighing machine on this system, right? First of all, this is the system. If I take this whole system will go down by a acceleration of g sine theta, right? Because there is no friction. Now, since let's draw the free body diagram of this man. Now you are seeing this man from this particular frame. Now this frame is a non-inertial frame because this frame is moving with respect to earth with a acceleration of g sine theta, right? So this frame is nothing but a non-inertial frame, and in non-inertial frame we have to include a pseudo force. So that means that just the opposite of this, there must be a pseudo force. Now what is the value of the pseudo force? We are taking 30 kg, this man as a system over here, okay? That the mass of the man 30 into g sine theta. G is how much? 10 sine theta, sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. This is a pseudo force, right? This is a pseudo force which will act. Now in downward directions, obviously the weight of the man will be there, 300, and the upward directions we have n. N is what? The normal reaction by the surface of the 40 kg. This 40 kg is redundant, right? We don't need, it doesn't matter whether it's 40 kg or 60 kg, it's just a platform. So it's giving reaction force of n. So we have to find out reaction force. This reaction force, obviously I'll divide it into two axes, right? Because I'm interested in this. The body is not moving with respect to you. You are standing over here. The body is not moving in this direction. So what I can write, this is again 60 degree, isn't it? This is again 60 degree, alright? Because the inclinations over here, if this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. Be very careful about identifying these angles, and we have given a shortcut for that in the class, okay? So what you'll get, n plus the component of this force along this is again another sine 60 degree, that means 30 into 10 into root 3 by 2 into sine 60 degree, isn't it? Sine 60 degree is how much? Root 3 by 2 again. Okay, must be equal to 300. Okay, all right. So we are getting n equal to how much? 300 minus this is 4, right? This is 5. This is 15. 15 into 5 is 75 into 3. 75 into 3 is 150 plus 75. That is 135. Okay, sorry, 125. This is equal to n. All right. Sorry, this is 225. Okay, so this is again how much? N is how much? 300 minus 225 is 75 Newton, right? But we are trying to understand what is the reading of the weighing machine. So reading machine generally give weight in kgs. So you have to find out the reading as how much? 75 divided by g, because we are converting into kgf. So this is 7.5 kg. Now there is a pending question. So that is the reading. Okay, now there is a pending questions. How this force will be balanced? There is a component of this force along this axis. How this force is balanced? This force won't be balanced. That means the man will move in this direction because there is no friction. If there is friction, this will be actually this should be compensated by friction, but since there is not no friction, this man will move along these directions and it will collide with, ultimately it will collide with this inclination. So that is not our botheration, because we are trying to find out the end. So the reading of the weighing machine is 7.5 kg.